I'm Dr. Sana Miyaboy and I'm doing medicine related videos. Today the topic is harmful effects of alcohol. Now this is a very common topic, but you don't know this, but a lot of people are suffering from alcoholism and they don't even realize it. They are drinking regularly. Some of them even drink neat vodka and neat whiskey at parties and clubs, even at ages of 40s and 50s. I have personally witnessed this in my life. My ex was an alcoholic. He is an alcoholic, and that's one of the reasons I had to leave him, because he was physically and verbally abusive. His friends were the same, and I had to leave that circle. It was very difficult for me because I had to go through a lot of their paranoias and delusions, and I was subjected to a lot of pain. In fact, they involved my entire family, my community, my social circle. In fact, even my workplace, they involved my people from my club, everybody, because they're subjected to so much paranoia and delusional behavior. They thought they were living in the past. They did not realize that the breakup happened 5 years ago, but they still continued to harass me and manipulate me and, text me and call me, abusive texts, abusive calls, let's get her back, and she's, why isn't she coming back, and why, and I was like, it happened 5 years ago. You guys are living in some delusional world. Like, it did not happen yesterday. So, this is what happens when you are an alcoholic, when you are doing multiple substance abuse. So now we're going to talk about alcohol. What does it do to your body? Now, first, it affects your brain in a very severe way. It causes stroke, it causes addiction and withdrawal, brain shrinkage, learning and memory loss, loss of coordination, anxiety, depression, and personality disorder. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, it causes severe depression, personality disorder. You live in the past, you have memory loss, and then you start to believe certain things in your life. That's delusion, okay? Then we have lungs. What happens to you when you're an alcoholic is suddenly one day you may stop breathing, and this can of course lead to death. So this is a very severe situation here. Then we have cirrhosis, fibrosis of the liver. We have alcoholic hepatitis, liver failure, and fatty liver. We also have pancreas, that is pancreatitis. It causes inflammation of the pancreas, could be acute or chronic both. We also have intestines. It can cause cancer, ulcers, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, inflammation and irritation, as well as hemorrhaging of the intestines. So this is a very serious effect. We also have the reproductive system, which alcohol affects the reproductive system in a very bad way. It can cause impotency in men, infertility in women, early menopause in women, and a lot of menstrual irregularities. So you have to live with that when you're an alcoholic as well. And then of course, it will cause certain problems in your eyes. It will cause blurry vision. It will cause slurring of the speech in the mouth, and also you have a risk of mouth cancer. You also have throat cancer, irritation, bleeding, and difficulty swallowing. You have heart. It can cause cardiomyopathy, which is basically your muscles will become very weak, and you'll have difficulty in circulation of the blood. You also have it can also cause dilated cardiomyopathy. It can cause enlarged heart, irregular heartbeat, and high blood pressure. What happens to your stomach is you get peptic ulcers, irritated lining of the stomach, and bleeding lesions of the stomach as well. In muscles will become weak and soft, okay, and your bones will have early onset of osteoporosis. Now the bones will likely get very weak, brittle, and soft. This is all, I feel like these are signs of sort of, very severe effects, especially of the bones. It's causing early aging. Especially if you're in your 20s and 30s, you should be very careful if you are not abusing alcohol, because the myth is that, you're young, you're strong, you can handle anything, but there you have it. You have all of these symptoms. It can affect anyone, any gender, of any age. All right, it does not mean that if you're older, it's going to affect you more. If you're younger, it won't affect you. It will affect you. All right, I hope you liked my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my TikTok channel. Take care. Bye.